Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset and remove all of the pairing list from your Aukey EP-N5. So according to the instructions, you need to make sure that both of the earbuds are offline and placed in the charging case. Next, you need to take one out. You'll need to take one out, and then you'll need to locate the touchpad, which is right here, and now tap and hold it like this 5 times. Next, you'll need to tap and touch sensitive panel 7 times. And after that, you'll need to take the earbud and put it inside the case. Take one out, other one, the left one in this case, and do the same thing. Now put the left earbud inside the case, and the next step is to repeat previous step, and after that put these earbuds inside the case, and that way there'll be your pairing list will be removed from them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.